welcome back to my channel. I'm Debaleena, and in today's video I will be showing you how to get a perfect base. So usually getting a perfect base is sometimes difficult for some people, especially if you are from the oily skin family. You tend to get creases out here and your makeup doesn't stay for a longer time. It kind of fades away from everywhere. So today I will be showing you how you can get the perfect base, and that too very easily, and it is a very beginner friendly process. But before starting on with this video, I would like to say that this video is in collaboration with Foxy. If you don't know what Foxy is actually a beauty platform which connects the beauty bloggers with the savvy shoppers and the top brands in the market. You get amazing deals on Foxy, and they have some of the best brands in the market, and also you get a surprise gift every time you purchase from Foxy. Also, all of the products used in this particular video are available on Foxy. If you don't want to miss out some amazing deals, so definitely check out Foxy. I will be linking all of the information of Foxy in the description box down below. Do check that out. And now let's get started with how to get the perfect base. So the first step is a moisturizer. Here I am using the Pond's moisturizer. A moisturizer will help to hydrate and moisturize your skin and create a good base for your makeup. Second, I will be using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This basically helps to blur out your skin and also create a smooth base for your makeup. It also helps to make your makeup last for a longer period of time. Also, I will be keeping it for 5 minutes and then going in with the foundation. Here I am using the Fit Me foundation. Now make sure that the foundation is close to or equal to your skin tone. Never use a foundation which is not of your skin tone. And also I will be using a damp beauty blender in order to blend the foundation in. Also, you will be seeing that I applied the foundation on my neck as well, because you need to match your face color with your neck color, and hence I am just taking my time and blending this properly on my face and on my neck. I feel a blender works much better than a brush. Next, I will be using the concealer, and I will be highlighting the areas where I need concealing. Then from this end of the beauty blender, I will be blending in the concealer really well. Next, we will be doing baking. So baking basically helps your makeup to last for a long time and also not crease your makeup. So I love the process of baking, and it is very essential for an oily skin person to bake your face. So I will be doing it, and I'll keep the powder for some time, and then I will be brushing it off with a makeup brush, and the excess I will be just blending in. So as you can see over here, my face looks like this, and this is the perfect base for me. Then you can go ahead and do your makeup. As you can see, as per your liking, you can do your makeup. And that is how I get the perfect base for my makeup. And also the foundation that I have used in the video, which is the Fit Me foundation, is an amazing foundation. Also, if you don't want to miss out, I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is actually one of my favorite foundation, and this is like my go-to foundation. It is extremely affordable, available in many different shades, and also comes in a smaller size as well if you want to get that. So this is a definitely must have in your vanity if you are someone from the oily skin family. So do check this product out on Foxy. Also, if you buy it from Foxy, you are going to get some amazing deals. And that's all for this particular video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any other questions, leave it down in the comment sections down below. Also, do not forget to check out Foxy. I will be linking all of the details in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.